What's up, peeps? How y'all doing this morning? Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. What it do? Hotel. This is your boy Musa, man, bring you that Mickey Ficky bang early in the morning. You know how I do it. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You be left in the loop every time. Hopefully, every time. Because, you know, they don't like throwing my videos on out there, man. Because I might say some stuff that's left field, you know. Well, I thought this is a country of freedom of speech, you know. As long as I'm not talking about killing anyone or hurting anyone, harming anybody. But when I regurgitate the truth that I'm not coming up with authentically, you know, it's not coming from me. This is coming from another source. And I also leave links in the source. But guess what? Videos still get messed with. You get striked. Oh my goodness. For telling the truth. Lord, have mercy. In the words of Ticket TV, Lord, have mercy. I'm sorry, man. Just a little thing. Every time I be listening to Ticket TV call the games, man, and the team be jacking off, he be like, Lord, have mercy. Shout out to Ticket TV, man. Shout out to the Ticket TV, the panel out there, Kwame Brown, Car Say No. All the big homies on YouTube, the big homies, O'Shea, Duke Jackson, Kevin Samuels. Oh, man. The black YouTube is where it's at. The black YouTube is where it's at. But now, let's get to this story in my neck of the woods. Just imagine. You at the crib chilling, and you done fell asleep or whatnot, and it's just you in your house. You in your house. And just say you just happen to get up, or happen to be doing anything in your house where you just know it's just you, and you hear the shower running. What the fuck is going on? How do you see that? How do you see that? I'm gonna leave a link in the description box. Let's go ahead and cook on this particular subject right here. This is some fuck shit, boy. Fuck shit. Fuck shit, fuck shit. Before I get in there, let me do this copyright disclaimer. So only any discrepancies in this video, please. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act of 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is used by the Copyright Act statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips to balance in favor of fair use. So let's go ahead and cook on this particular subject. Like I said, this is in my neck of the woods. My neck of the woods. Yeah, this shit crazy too. This is crazy. Hermitage woman hides as a burglar showers in her home. A woman hides in her own house while that motherfucker shower. Nashville, Tennessee. A man broke into a Hermitage home, helped himself to an iced tea. Now this motherfucker he opened up my refrigerator and got a goddamn iced tea. Drinking that motherfucker, oh man, it's nice and cold. Put that motherfucker on top, counter, and took a shower. As the woman living inside hid and called for help, And arrest warrant alleges, man. Hey, man, dude, what the fuck? Nigga, you in my house taking a shower. Oh, you would have had that thing pointed right dead at you with the police car. No, you finna sit right here, butt ass naked, nigga. Butt ass naked. Yeah, I stay at 145. Such. Yes. Yeah. It's a man right in my house, butt ass naked. He broke in my house and took a shower. So I'm here. I got my gun pointing for to knock his Mickey Fick off. You better come. Come on right now. Come on right now. Yeah, you hear the shower running. He broke in my house. This motherfucker broke in my house and then drunk one of my damn teas, officer. What kind of tea was it? Man, it was a fling tea. Fling tea? We are on our way right now. What the fuck, man? I want to kill this motherfucker. You hear me? Metro police responded around 2 a.m. Tuesday to report a burglary at residence of Rockwood Drive near Tulip Grove Road. Oh my God. Over there by. Boy, that is crazy as cat shit. That is crazy as cat shit. You know that? I mean, so in other words, you just want to take a shower. That's all you wanted to do was take a shower. That's it. That's it. This is what this crazy motherfucker look like. Don't this motherfucker look crazy? He look crazy as hell. In the words of Kevin Samuels, you cannot make this shit up. You cannot make this shit up. Salute to everybody, man. Salute to everybody. But it's your boy Isaac Carr, man. I'm finna roll out, get this these 2 miles in, man. Try to get black and sexy, you know what I'm saying? So, chocolate milk. So you better try to hold me in your hand. Peace in the bottle of hair grease, baby.